Hello everyone, my name is Asia Nadine and today I will be talking to you all about climate change. So, what is climate change? Climate change is from shifting weather patterns to threatening food production to rising sea levels. Now, I will talk to you all about what is the purpose of climate change and why is climate change very important. The purpose of my presentation about climate change is to inform you all about how humans are overwhelming the climate change documents both current impacts with significant costs and extraordinary future risks to society and natural systems. So guys, someday the world won't be the same. So what we have to do is take action and to stop climate change. Climate change is very important because it can help people understand and have an impact about global warming, encourages changes, people's attitudes and behaviors towards it, and create climate literacy, which is an impact on climate and impacts of climate on human systems, and lastly, adapt to climate change trends. So, on the left hand side, we have a picture of a tree that's dying and then a tree that's living. Well, it's basically the same tree, but on one part of the tree, it is dying. The reason why it is dying because of all the pollution and the gas and everything that we're putting in the earth that's not supposed to go in the earth is causing that tree to die off, and also the dirt is very dry. So it's things that we need to do in our everyday life to stop climate change. On the right hand side is a picture of the half of the healthy tree. That side is just saying like, okay, this is what life can look like if we stop all the production of this and the pollution and all the bad stuff to climate change. The causes and effects of climate change. The causes is it rises in greenhouse gases and emissions. It increased use of fossil fuels, and burning fossil fuels release these gases into the atmosphere. Effects is intensified natural disasters, rises in sea level, more intense natural disasters, droughts, wildfires, any fires, human and animal health. So this is very important, guys, because not only does it affect the atmosphere, but it can affect humans. Rising temperatures, more hot temperatures can cause people to get sick, catch strokes, anything like that relating to like the heat. Penguins, polar bears could die off because of the glaciers that are melting. So guys, just think about like the animals that's suffering also. It's not just us, it's the stuff that God created. So this is the Lafayette, Louisiana stats and how can we prevent climate change. After conducting a survey of 50 people, 90% knew what climate change was, 72% knew how serious climate change has become, 68% knew examples of things that cause climate change, 95% said they would make changes to their daily lives to prevent climate change. On the right hand side, we have various ways to prevent climate change according to nrdc.org. So we can reduce water waste, eat bettering, especially no meat, so like no chicken, I guess. I like chicken, so using less energy by unplugging in the house instead of using separate cars, carpool, ride a bike, or even walk, which is good exercise. Reduce carbon profile and speak up and inform others about climate change, guys. You can let anyone know what's going on about climate change. Let them run down to them what's going on, how it's affecting the earth. I'm sure a lot of people know about climate change. Some people maybe don't. So if you're willing to like really help the earth, please change. And our references is nrdc.org and climate.nasa.gov. Thank you.